That was hairy.
It's a 16.
Oh, he's got one right there. Flathead.
You don't have to.
Flathead? Got it?
All I gotta do is the clamp and you're good.
Still in second.
Hey, can you see if there's a long Phillips screwdriver in there? Medium size?
Yeah. Go ahead and spin it on.
Oh, I got a big one, that's it!
Don't let Goodrich open his mouth.
Here we go!
It's hot. Take stuff. Hey, did you guys put the quart of oil in?
Yes, we did. Sorry.
Yeah.
No, I'm back here, Vic.
Mike is working on it.
They're tough to get on, boys.
Yep. But this, if you think about this, our first DNF in 2 years. My dad did that.
Yeah, push Mike. Ramp gotta be a blur. See if you can slide that on Mike with it together. You might have to take it off.
Trophy light.
And we got people up here telling us.
Yeah. Is this your last or 2 more?
Last.
It's too little. It's way too.
Come on, Vic! You can do it, bro!
Hey, where's your clamp? Where's your clamp and shit?
TJ! Clamp! TJ, where's your clamp?
No.
He's got a clamp right there. 10, class 10, okay. We're good.
There you go. Let the nut driver for you. Good way to ruin those pants for you. Raise it back.
You got 2 assists. No, I gotta say though, I think
That's probably
well
good dinner and a good dinner.
Half steakhouse.
That's a whole nother experience. Like, I had guys slam me.
Hey, you the roller?
Yeah.
Come on, man. That's a last.
Yeah, dude, that thing just hearing it.
It's got a handle.
After all that time. I know. Yeah.
Get ready to get back in.
I got nobody yet.
Are you serious? Yeah, dude, I'm feeling like shit.
That's halfway.
Yeah, I know. I'll make it there. It's not, it ain't far to get there. Just be ready. If I'm feeling better, I'll keep going.
You don't have to finish your points, you?
Yeah. Well, I'll get back in. Get right back in.
Right here before you press the finish.
Souvenir now.
Got it?
Anything we get here?
Fired up.
Fired up.
Fired up.